Look, the unfortunate reality is that RV holding tank sensors get clogged or gunked up if you don't maintain your holding tanks properly. So, if your sensors aren't reading accurately, I'm about to give you a few methods to get them working again. First up is to use liquid dishwasher detergent. Now, we use dishwasher detergent because it doesn't foam as much as some of the other detergents out there, but it's still really effective at cleaning. This method also relies on the movement of the RV, so you have to bear that in mind when determining the best time to perform it, usually before you go out camping. With your holding tanks empty, you'll want to add about a cup of the liquid dishwasher detergent down the toilet and then another cup down the shower drain or sink. That way it gets in both the black and gray tanks. You'll then fill both the tanks about half full or so, and then you simply drive. The RV's movement actually serves as the agitation agent to break down greases, oils, and solid waste and clean the tank sensors. Once you arrive at the destination, dump your tanks, and if it's still not reading correctly, well, then it's time to move on to the next method. So the detergent should have had a little bit of time to help break down anything in the tanks, and after that, we want to use either a black tank flush if equipped, or if not, you'll want to buy a tank cleaning wand. For a step-by-step process on using the black tank flush, we actually have a brief but thorough walkthrough that I highly recommend watching, and I'll drop that in the description so you can watch it after this video. If your RV is not equipped with the black tank flush, then you'll want to use the tank cleaning wand as we mentioned. To use this, make sure you're hooked up to a sewer or dump station and open the black tank valve. Next, you'll want to take a water hose and hook it up to city water. Do not use your drinking water hose as you don't want to get it contaminated. Connect the other end of the hose to the tank wand, open the toilet bowl, and stick the wand down the toilet to start the cleaning process. Now that should do the trick and get your sensors working properly. If that doesn't work, another option is a power cleaning service. I know they're out there. They're known in the RV community as an RV colonoscopy. Now, I can't personally speak to their effectiveness because I've never used one of these services, but I did want to put that out there as a potential option. The other option, of course, is to bring it into your local Camping World Service Center so that they can provide a tank sensor evaluation and determine if maybe the sensors have gone bad or if there's something else going on with your tanks that needs to be fixed. To find out how to properly maintain your tanks, check out these next videos.